Hi guys on YouTube, here is a bionaire fan heater. It's got 3 settings. There's the thermostat. The little saying with the fan is cold. The first stripe means warm and the second 2 stripes means hot. So I'm going to show you it running on cold. As you can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's a little green light in the back, and that means that the fan heater lights come on. If I switch it off, well, it's supposed to go out really. So that's just an ambulance going. You can hear in the background going past. So I'll put it on more hot, which is warm. And then hot. Leave that running just for a second. Okay, I'll leave it on hot for long enough now. Switch it off now.